Good morning to everyone. I am S.A. Masri from All Indian Modern School, Tirunamalai district, Cheya in Tamil Nadu. We all came up with the project for Vikshim Bharat Buildathon 2025. We are going to explain about the topic Smart Science for Greener Earth, transforming the polyethylene naturally. We are the team of Eco Companions. As we all know about, the people are used to live their life with the plastic which is not biodegradable. Since we are very much concerned about our environment, so that our team Eco Companions came up with the eco-friendly alternative for these plastic, that is pro-oxidant additives. All these plastic that we are using is made up of polyethylene. With the help of these pro-oxidant additives, we can transform the plastic non-biodegradable into the biodegradable easily. As we all know, the polyethylene present in the plastic is widely used in the environment by adding the pro-oxidant additives which helps to degradation in the polyethylene and biodegrade the soil into easily. What are pro-oxidant additives? It is a metal-based additives which are cobalt, manganese, iron stearates. It does the oxidation reaction in polyethylene when it exposed to heat, light and oxygen. It promotes the chain scission and break down the oxidized fragment into several, and which help to biodegrade the plastic easily.
I am C. Poshika. How the changes in polyethylene chemically and physically. Chemically, it forms the carbonyl groups and it decreases in molecular weight and mechanical strain. It increases brittleness and surface degradation. How does the polyethylene degrades? It depends upon the concentration of pro additive. There are two types of polyethylene, low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene degrades faster than high density polyethylene.
I am M. Saran. Abiotic degradation creates smaller fragments suitable for microbial assimilation. Biodegradation rates vary widely, 5% to 91%, depending on conditions. Microbial species and environment influence degradation efficiency. Applications. It is used in single-use products and agriculture films to reduce plastic persistence. Facilities. Environmentally friendly disposal by enabling faster degradation. Potential to reduce microplastic pollution.
I am Akyas Nihal. Cost estimation for standard polyethylene of oxo biodegradable polyethylene. The cost range is per kg 80 to 110 rupees. Oxo biodegradable polyethylene is 90 rupees to 110 rupees per kg. The degradation time takes over 100 years for standard polyethylene. The oxo biodegradable polyethylene takes 3 to 24 months. Manufacturing complexity each take simple and lower cost, requires control mixing of additives. Environmental and safety considerations. Some additives, example cobalt, may be toxic to microbes. Optimal formulation needed to balance degradation and environmental safety. Standards and testing protocols assess biodegradability and environmental impact.